Hey y'all, I just wanted to give you a view of my living space from the outside looking in. And if anybody's interested in maybe pursuing this, it's doable. You've got to like small spaces and like outdoors because camping, you do spend a good bit of time outside. I find it comfy and cozy, but I haven't hit the hot weather yet, so we'll see. Under here, I have a 12 a half inch piece of plywood that has a hinges that I can easily access my spare, store things under there. At some point, I will make a list of what I feel is must-have items when car camping. And you do want to try to utilize all the space that you possibly can. Drying my shoes out on the dashboard. But if you have a spot for everything and put everything in its spot, it should all function pretty good. And thank you for watching. And remember to nurture nature.